Again.
Adam Frank John 29 Ida, AFJ 29I. South on Main. He may not be stopping.
Behind you.
Pull over.
Oh, I'm fixing to call it. We're on this, fixing to turn on the service road. Fixing to underneath the 183.
Notify state police.
Yep. South service road underneath the 183. Very minimal traffic on the south service road. Speeds are at 40 at the moment. We're going on the loop now.
Pull over. He just dumped something out of the window right here.
I checked what's on the loop. He threw something out on the loop by Waffle House. We're fixing to go south on 183. Let's take this out. Did you get that 28? Let me come to a stop. South Service Road passing Logan. Speed's 40. Traffic's minimal. Still on the South Service Road, passing 123.
You want me to call it? You got the nice score.
Nah, I can still call it.
Which way are you going?
Past Indian Springs.
South Service Road at the 124. Headed towards Little Rock.
31, notify state police and advising that we're at for assistance.
I'm leaving the jail right now.
Oh, you're waiting. Is there anybody else close to us?
Shit. Who's that?
Going underneath the parkway, still on the South Service Road.
Do what?
Y'all tournament here?
We're South Service Road, getting about to pass the 125. We're at about 90.
Oh, shit, I can't catch y'all.
6, taking out 30.
Y'all got a trooper
From where?
at the county line.
We do have a trooper at County Line.
30, do you have a female victim calling in yet?
Yep.
No.
We We got a trooper here at county line.
Yeah, y'all got somebody right in front of you.
He's apparently right here at county line in front of us, so should be able to intervene.
Just past county line, speeds are at 80. Traffic is medium now.
Alright, yeah, he's, y'all got one coming up behind you too.
There's also a trooper coming up behind us.
What's the 28?
Speeds are at 100, coming up on
I don't know.
the exit.
It's a brown 2-door Ford pickup, like a 90s model. Where's your trooper, bro? I haven't seen him. We're almost to Otter Creek.
He's right there. He should be right there. That's where he said he was. Unless he was turning around at Otter Creek.
We're at Otter Creek now. We're taking...
It's going to take the 128.
Nope, we didn't take it.
Y'all taking 430?
Nope, we're staying on, well, I don't know yet. We haven't made it that far.
Back on 30. May take the 430 interchange here.
Staying on I-30.
Past 430?
Yep, past 430, going...
Okay, you should have somebody. You should have somebody right there.
430 exchange currently.
They can Alright, you got somebody at Gyre Springs?
We're almost to baseline. I don't know if he's going to... He keeps acting like he's going to take the exit, but then he don't. Alright, we passed baseline.
Okay.
We're past the 130 exit. 70, traffic's minimal.
Alright, they're at the 133 waiting on y'all.
State police is at the 133 waiting on us.
Speeds are 63 miles an hour.
What lane are y'all in?
The farthest, the outside lane.
Fast lane?
No, slow lane. Slow lane coming up on Chico, 63 miles an hour.
Please get involved with the know that this guy jumps out and runs. We got a canine revolver that moves on us.
Next one, we just proposed the address of the call, moved over the assault, the guys, I guess it's a one left. They are not sure who it is. And they still have a canine, which is just so the guy wants to
Past the 131 exit.
Where y'all at?
We just passed Chico. We're about to come up on University.
Alright, he's right there waiting on you.
Passing University.
National University exit.
74 miles an hour.
77 miles an hour. Traffic is minimal.
58's about to get in there.
Who is?
Right here, so we can
Okay. As soon as he gets in it, I'll back down and let him take it.
Okay, they want you to stay involved with.
Oh no, I'm gonna stay involved.
Okay.
Where's he at?
Out there.
133 exit.
Guys, thanks.
Okay. It's a Ford F-150 two-door.
You're at 68 miles an hour. Traffic is minimal.
I see your trooper.
Okay.
State police is coming in.
All right, your boy's in it.
He's gonna end it quick.
TVI.
Hamilton exit 134.
Nope, he's still moving. Put your hands behind your back.
You're good. You're good. No, I'm security. You're good. I didn't know you were trying to stop me.
You're full of shit.
I mean, you take it down.
Hey, crawl harder.
Yes, sir. I mean, I ain't trying to. Look, you put me in hand, bro. I ain't trying to fight. Hey, you can get me, buddy. You can get me? I mean, you get me.
He's wearing body armor.
Yeah, I am. I'm on security, bro.
Stay down.
Yes, sir.
Nobody told you to fucking move.
Yes, sir. I mean, I am body armor. I ain't got nothing. You pay me.
You tell him 10-15.
Huh? I mean, you pay me. I ain't got nothing, bro. You pull it off. Hang on, let me turn over here.
Roll this way.
I can't roll that way.
Look at the ground. Just look that way. I got you.
He won't take my shit off.
We'll get it off in a second.
You got it? Behind me.
Other than that knife, do you have anything else on you though?
No.
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 Roll over on your side. You got it. Oh, you heard anything?
No, I'm good.
Hey, lean up against the truck. Lean right there against the truck.
Hang on. He tell me to get boots off. Hang on for a minute. I ain't got my knife. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hang on.
Spread your feet.
Spread your feet.
Well, he's telling me to take boots off.
No, he's
Not telling you to take your boots off, just spread your feet.
Okay, he said take boots off. Goddamn, what's gonna take boots off?
No, don't take your boots off.
I mean, goddamn, I seen a police behind me. I'm trying to pull over.
Yeah, you did a damn good job. You went fucking 15 miles.
I mean, it ain't that. I mean, look, I've done had some things, man. I run a Spanish pillow over here.
Yeah. Is that just cash?
Yeah, I don't have nothing.
Hold on.
Yeah, I don't have nothing.
All right.
I pulled over and I seen that paperwork come out.
I figured you would.
It really ain't dead. I mean, I pulled over and you hit me. I was like, goddamn, what's going on? I'm trying to pull over.
Okay.
I seen them two come up, and I thought,
He thought we were just joking with you.
well, it ain't that. I mean, I heard somebody say pull over.
Bryant Police Dispatch.
He threw a bag of dope or something out.
It may have been a cigarette. He just dropped something and it went white. He got a holster, so.
What's your name?
Jump out, try and get your dog a bite.
I know. Oh, dude.
Then he jumped out.
Whoever the trooper was on him too quick.
I know. I figured that's your dog. I figured that's your dog.
Yeah.
I was sitting at Popeyes in the drive-thru when somebody went by on Reynolds, and I was like, I wonder what they're doing. Yeah, so he threw something out.
Chasing him.